There are several reasons. Yes, we are very pleased, very glad that we could sign this cooperation with this famous and very well-known company Krones. First, we would like to sell immediately the first plants. And I think we have very good possibilities and a huge future to do this together. One of the very important steps is research and research and innovation center, which we would like to build in our subsidiary in Slovenia. The first part from Stadler, the second part from Krones, so that we can show to the customer how such a plant can run, that the customer can also bring his material in order that we can test it in our plant, and we can also do some training in the plant and look for innovation in such a plant. Let's say that's one very important step. And then we would like also to do the sales together, to cooperate. We will not have any interface for the customer. He buys a turnkey plant without any interfaces. And Krones is a leading company, or the leader in their business. We are the leader in the recycling business, or in the sorting business worldwide. That's why I think if you put together two very strong companies, then you will have quite a good result.